Bitcoin keeps dropping and dropping, but the question is, where will be the low? Where will be the turning point back to the upside? And will we actually see this turning point in the near future? That is something that I want to talk about today. Hi, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and let's jump here straight into the charts. So here I'm on the 4-hourly Bitcoin chart. So we have seen here, since we tested the last time, the upper end of this bigger falling wedge here, a correction all the way down to the bottom of it. And from there we got a bounce, a slightly one to the upside, but then we basically managed not again to stay here in that red resistance zone. So while we are trading now in between the red resistance zone and the green support zone, up and down here, we have created yesterday, or we finished yesterday, a potential falling wedge here, which did broke to the downside, but I actually want to correct this a little bit. So it looks more like that. This looks now like this. So it's still considered a falling wedge in my opinion. So, but yeah, it could take a little bit longer until we see here a break to the upside, if we're gonna see a break to the upside. So in terms of if we get here lower, we can definitely hit here again the bottom or the top of the green support zone at 40,855. But if that top doesn't, or the bottom in that case doesn't give us any support, then we will fall through it. We will touch the bottom again of the falling wedge, all the way down to $39,000. And then guys, it gets dangerous. If we lose that level, and we lose also the $37,700 level, then in my opinion, guys, we should be bracing ourselves for a huge move to the downside. We could go well back to $32,000 here, all the way down here to $32,800, $32,000, 490, because there is still a CME gap sitting. So if we are getting here under $37,000, the likelihood that we go all the way down to fill the CME gap are increasing dramatically. And guys, I also want to thank you again for yesterday's video. Thank you for everybody that was watching. Also for everybody that was liking. You did an amazing job there again. So thank you really much, guys. Let's get here also then into Ethereum. Ethereum is forming here a much clearer falling wedge here to the downside. So if I draw this like this. So here also, again, in my opinion, so first of all, I'm also here on the 4-hourly chart. My opinion, we could get down here to the 0.786 at $2,780. We are not far away from this. So, and if we are not getting a bounce from there, then guys, I have said it yesterday, and I'm sorry to say it again, but we will go down here to $2,435 before we will see here a significant bounce then back to the upside. If this falling wedge should play out and we break it to the upside, then our technical target is the top of the falling wedge, and that is lining up with the strongest resistance level right now at $3,182. We have to see in which direction we are breaking here. But I can tell you guys, if Bitcoin is not able to find soon a local bottom and to bottom out and to start to trade sideways up, then we will continue to drop here. So we can see that quite clearly also here in Cardano. If you remember, guys, I had told you that we had here this rising wedge that we also broke to the downside, and that when we lost here the $2.18 level, that this is the neckline for a head and shoulders here, and that the technical target is all the way down here at $1.88. So we are already halfway through to the target. So also here, if Bitcoin continues to keep to drop, we will definitely go down and hit this technical target before we see here any turnaround. So yeah, it is not looking good here also for Cardano in the immediate short term. I'm sorry to be the bringer of so bad news today, but that is also only short term, guys. Don't forget, we are talking about short term outlook. This can change really quick. When we talk about mid to long term, there I'm absolutely bullish, guys. Nothing has changed there. And if you want to trade it to the downside, guys, don't forget you can go to Bybit or to Phemex. On Phemex, you still get a $1,200 bonus. On Bybit, still a $600 bonus. If you want to trade these volatile markets and you want to short, these are the platforms to go. You find the links in the pinned comment below. Then let's get here quick into Solana. Solana has now also broken our uptrend line. So if you are still in Solana, this is actually the moment to get out, because we have broken our uptrend. We have broken structure, market structure in Solana. So here also the technical target is at $91 and we can definitely go there. Yeah, so if I would be in Solana, guys, right now, once we lose the $130 level and we close the candle under this level, that is your last sign to get out. So that is the last train that that you should jump off before Solana will drop off a cliff here all the way down to under $100. Guys, that was today a really quick update. I hope you appreciate that I kept it a little bit shorter today. Yeah, thank you for watching. Smash up the likes. If you enjoyed the content, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you tomorrow.